Hey, in this video, I will show you how to use the Safari browser on an iPhone or an iPad. This method works in 2024. It will work in 2025. It's actually very simple. So what you want to do is just open up Safari, actually have it saved here. So just click on it. And there's a few things you should know. So normally when you just have it, the most obvious function that you would use is search or entering websites. For example, let's say that you want to search something on Google, like Instagram, right? So you just type in Instagram, click on go, and it will open up Google and show you the search results for Instagram. So this is the first thing you can do. One of the other good things you can do with Instagram or with Safari is you can have add bookmarks or share stuff or even print PDFs. So what you want to do to print a PDF, for example, is hold the screenshot button, click here and click on full page. That way you won't just have a screenshot, but you have a full PDF page. This is a trick that a lot of people do not know. If you want to share some page or something, you want to click on the button icon and just share it to whoever you like. You can also click here and add it to favorites or analyze their favorites, and then that's pretty much all you need to know about the Safari browser. That's how it works. If you still have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below and I would love to help you out. Also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you next one. Bye.